to a video. Today I will be teaching you guys on how to add shakes to your edits. So if you're thinking about, I'm talking about the transition shake like this. No, I'm not talking about that shake. I'm talking about you can add an actual transition with a shake. Alright, so what you gotta do first is, so you gotta put 2 fingers on the timeline and stretch it. And you should get something like this. Okay? So then it might go a little bit faster, but you should have something that looks like this. So then we're gonna go to this little effects thingy and make sure like this white border is not around your videos. Click that, video effects, search up shake. Then it should the one that looks like this. And put it the length of your video. And then if it doesn't show to add the keyframe, you're going to click object in all videos. And then you're going to add a keyframe at the start, put it all the way to 100. Then put a keyframe at the end. Put it all the way to 0. So then you should have something that looks like this. Then you're going to add any transition you want. I like doing split 2 first. So then you should have something that looks like this. Like that. Then you can duplicate it for your other clips. And then if it shows add a keyframe, you don't have to do the object thing. But if it doesn't show the keyframe thing, you gotta press objects. Then you have this. So yeah, then that's how you add shakes. Bye guys. All the shakes put down, you should have something like this. Now you see I didn't add a shake right here, but I am gonna do it right now. Let me add a keyframe. Keyframe at the end. Because then you should have something that kind of looks like this. So then for effects, I usually, for the video effects, I usually go for the mist. That's what it's called, the mist, and this is like the one I use in like all my edits. Makes it look like that. If you guys are wondering, I will be posting this edit as an example. It's kind of dookie right now because, you know, I rushed it for this video. But then you just apply the same thing to all the clips if you want. Oh, and the straighted one, yeah, I know Lutz. He's one of my friends. I know him. So then you should have something that looks like this. So, and if you want to know how to change your aspect ratio, so you see this little thing, edit thing, you don't press, but you go over to here, you click aspect ratio and click 1:1. Any other one looks kind of weird. That's why me and Let's always go for 1:1. And if you want kind of like the ones me and Let's kind of do, and like we zoom it in a lot. Oh. Alright. And if you did it correctly, you should see these little keyframes on each one of those. Well, bye guys.